Good morning, dear students. We have started staffing chapter, which is third function of management. Already we have done need and importance of staffing and relation between staffing and human resource management we have already done. Today we are going to discuss process of staffing. Dear students, you can see in this diagram that process of staffing is having so many steps. Now these steps go on in a circle, means process of staffing is a continuous process. So these steps are performed again and again according to the requirement of the organization, and they go in a circle. The main concern of the staffing function in an organization is a timely fulfillment of manpower requirement. The need of manpower arises in case of starting a new business or expanding the existing one, or at the time of replacing those who quit, retire, or transfer or promoted. So there are various steps which are involved in staffing process. First step is estimating the manpower requirement. So manpower requirement involves forecasting and determining future manpower needs of the organization. Means what type of and how many employees are required in our organization, that is estimated first. So it aims to determine the number and type of employees required. Type refers to specific qualifications, skills or experience to be possessed by the employees. While assessing the type of manpower requirement, company should also make policy to appoint women, person from backward communities and person with special abilities, because we should take care of the society as well. So when you are estimating, you have to take care how many women, and if you can appoint some people from disability or from backward communities, you should consider that also. Manpower requirement should be translated into specific job description and the desired profits of its occupants. So the desired qualification, experience, personality, characters and so on should be calculated properly. So this is the first step in the staffing process, and you can just make inventory of the manpower requirement, and you can assess how many are required. There are two more things which are important in this step. Number one is workload analysis. Workload analysis means number and type of human resource requirement. Number two is workforce analysis. पहला था workload analysis. Workload analysis means it involves determining number and type of human resource required to perform various jobs. Workforce analysis means it shows the number and type of human resource available in the organization, means how many are required and how many are already available. Then second step is recruitment. Recruitment refers to a process of searching for prospective employees and encouraging them to apply for the job in the organization. You can see third step is selection. Selection means you are selecting the people. Now what is recruitment? Recruitment means you are inviting people to come and join our organization, come for the interview. For example, you see one advertisement in the newspaper. In that advertisement it is written that this is the organization's name, it is address, and you these are the positions which we require to fulfill, and you apply for the job and come for the interview. So that process is known as recruitment. So number one is you have estimated how many people are required, what type of people are required. Then number two is you invite them, come and meet us, and this is a process in which the person who is giving the job and who wants the job, they interact with each other. So there are various sources for recruitment, that also we will discuss later on. Number three is selection. So selection is the process which is a negative process. Negative process means when you select, for example, there are 10 people, those who have applied. From 10 people you have selected one. So it is a negative process. Means for others they are now they are not selected. Recruitment is a positive process. Why? Because you think a good prospective means when you are applying for the job, you feel that you may get selected. But selection is known as negative process because many of the people, those who apply, they have to listen no from the employer. So selection is a very complicated process. So it involves interviews, different tests. This also we will discuss later on. Then number 4 is when the employees are selected, then you have to place and give them trainings. You have to make them comfortable in the organization. So this step is known as placement and orientation. So employees of the organization, they should be introduced with the, and they should be familiarized with the rules and policies of the organization. So then they are taken to the different workplaces. They made comfortable by the seniors, so that they should feel that they are part of the organization. Like in orientation, induction and orientation is a program in which employees are told about the seniors, different rules regarding rules regarding leaves, and rules regarding if they are not feeling well, then there is a health center, what are the working conditions. So all these information is given to them. Next step is training and development. Just to tell you that all these steps we are discussing in this chapter in detail. So what is training? So this step involves improving the job knowledge and competence of the employees in order to enable them to perform their job more effectively and efficiently. So this is a step in which different types of training, if it is required, is given to the employees, so that they can by offering the opportunity for career advancement to their members, organization are not only able to attract but also retain its talented staff. So everyone wants to develop themselves, they want to get training. So this is the part when you train the employees according to the requirement of the job. Then number six is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal means, for example, you have appointed people and you have given training to the people. Now you see that how is the performance. Performance appraisal means taking the feedback of the employees, means how they are doing. We have given them best, so now what they are doing. So is there are employees those who are not performing well. So what you can do is, you can give them more training, or you can demote them, or you can motivate them. So if there are employees those who are doing well, you can promote these employees. So performance appraisal is a very, very important step, because without performance appraisal you will not come to know the actual performance of the employees. So the performance appraisal refers to systematic evaluation of employees' performance against predetermined standards and their potential for development. Means this particular employee, he has potential to be promoted. So you will come to know which employees are doing good and which are not doing good. So accordingly you can give them training and promotion. Then number 7 is promotion and career planning. Organization must encourage the employees to grow and realize their full potential. It becomes necessary for our organization to address career related issues and promotional avenues to serve the employees' long term interest. So if you will not promote the good employees, they will not stay with you. So it is very important that whenever you feel this employee is showing full potential and doing very good, promote them. So this is the major step. They must provide opportunities to everyone to show their potential, and in return promotion can be provided. Then number 8 is compensation. So compensation means financial benefits plays an important role in attracting and retaining a competent group of employees. If compensation means paying them good wages and salaries. So if you are not compensating them well, they will not stay with you. So managers should develop a sound compensation policy. Basically, the price of the job needs to be determined. Compensation refers to all forms of pay or rewards given to the employees. So you have to take care that you are paying good to the employees or not. So this is the last step. After, if the employees, they are not satisfied, again they will leave the organization, then again estimating of the workforce will be done. So it is a continuous process. Whenever one employee is leaving, then you have to appoint a new employee and replace the position. Thank you. Have a nice day. Your homework is to revise this topic properly.